بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Recite Quran. Today we are going to start lesson number 3. The changing faces of the letters. How it will look like when it connects with the other letters. Here in this lesson you will learn, suppose this is ba, it will look like this if it's connect with other letter. If ba connect in the middle of the two letters, it will look like this. If ta connect with two letters in the middle of two letters, it will look like this. So it's just for your understanding to recognize the letters most accurately. I will hide the English version of the letters so Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, dhal, ra, za, sin, shin, صاد, ضاد, طا, ظا, عين, غين, غين, fa. So do practice on this page as much as you can. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you and your family. Assalamu alaikum.